Students, we are starting chapter 3, fiber to fabric. Chapter 3, fiber to fabric. So in this chapter, there is a term fiber and the fabric also. So what is fiber? Can anyone tell me?
Thin strands.
Yes, these the
Thin
fibers
sticks
are
of
the
wood.
And thin strands of a fabric.
And thin cells.
fibers are the thin strands. And what is fabric? Yes, Dhruv.
Cloth woven out from
Ma'am, a finished
The
and fine
material
cloth
that is made from
made
fabric
from different
fibers.
methods like weaving.
So what is fabric? Fabric is the material that is made from fibers, okay, and that fabric is used for making so many types of dresses, curtains, and sofa covers. Okay, so these fabrics are made from these fibers. Okay, in this chapter we will study about the fibers. Okay, firstly I will introduce you to the fiber term. It is there are two types of fibers, that are natural and synthetic. So natural fibers are the fibers that we get from plants and animals. Okay, so there are further the natural fibers are categorized into two: plant fibers and animal fibers. Clear? And the synthetic fibers that are also called man-made. These are made by man in the industries. Okay, with the help of chemicals. Okay, so we will study about the plant fibers and the animal fibers. In this chapter, the first is animal fibers, that is wool and silk. So from plants we get jute and cotton, and the animal fibers that we get from animals is wool and silk. Clear? We will get wool from many types, many animals. For example, sheep, goat, and camel also. Yak. So silk, we get silk from the silkworm. Clear? So the first topic that we will study that is the animal fibers, wool and silk. So firstly we will only talk about the wool. Clear? So the animals that give us wool are goat, sheep, rabbit, camel. Because how they are giving? Because their body is covered with fur or hair. Okay, and this fur keeps them warm by trapping the air. Okay, so we don't feel warm. We don't feel cool in the wool fiber. In the winters we wear wool fibers. Yes, तो हमें ज्यादा ठंड नहीं लगती है क्योंकि हमने वो जो वूल है वो हमारी बॉडी को इंसुलेशन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. क्लियर? जिससे हमारी बॉडी को ज्यादा ठंड नहीं लगेगी. Clear? So it will help in keeping us warm in the winters. Okay, so the sheep, there are two types of fibers that we get. Okay, the first is coarse beard hair, and the second is fine soft under hair close to the skin. Okay, there is a coarse beard hair, and the next is the soft one that is found near the skin of the sheep. Okay, so जो soft वाली skin, जो soft वाले hair है, that will give us a better quality of wool. Okay, तो जो उसकी जो shining है, उसकी जो fineness है, वो ज्यादा अच्छी होगी as compared to the above one. Clear? And the next is on the second column, that is given that the skin, the soft one is more selective than the the coarse beard one. Clear? And there is a term written selective breeding. You know what is selective breeding? Anyone? Raise your hand. Raise your digital hands. Yes, Dhruv.
Ma'am, it is the process of selecting two parents
Yes.
to obtain special characters like soft fur from their offspring.
Yes, very good. So
Or
selective, very good, bache. So in this we select the parent so that we get a better quality of the fiber, or that we made a good quality of fabric from it. Okay. And next is animals that yield wool. So there are so many examples that are given in your book, that we get the wool from yak, that is available in Tibet and Ladakh, and Angora wool is also obtained from Angora goats, that is found in the Jammu and Kashmir. Underline these. Yes, and another is that wool is also obtained from the goat hair, and the underfur of Kashmiri goat is soft. Therefore, we made pashmina shawls from it. These are the pashmina shawls are very light, but they keep us very warm. Clear? वो लाइट भी ज्यादा होती है, उनका इतना ज्यादा वेट भी नहीं होता है, और वो हमें प्रॉपर इंसुलेशन भी प्रोवाइड करती हैं. So these pashmina shawls are little costly than the other shawls. Clear? Because we are getting it from the pure wool. Okay. And the next other examples are that the llama and alpaca also give us wool. Clear? Now the next is the from fiber to wool. So we, on page number 26, here we rear and breed the sheep. Okay, you know what is rearing? Yes, Pranvi, what do you mean by rearing?
Removal of the wool from the sheep is called rearing.
Anyone else? Rearing we have done in the question answer also. Vanshika? So the taking care of that sheep.
Rearing is meant to taking care of
Yes.
economically
Yes.
useful animals by managing their breeding, feeding, medical care, etc.
Yes, we will. Very good. We provide the proper care to that animal. Okay, so that we can get the useful products. Okay, that it is called rearing. Clear? So the next is breeding also. That means that to produce young ones. Okay, it is a process. So the next is that there is also an important point that we remove the fur of that sheep in summers. Okay, otherwise the sheep will feel very hot. Next is processing fibers into wool. There are the step 1 is of shearing, that we remove the thin layer, the fleece of the sheep along with the thin layer of skin. Thin layer of skin is removed from the body of an animal. It is called shearing. This is done with the help of machines that is similar to the machine that is used by barber. Clear? So it is the, what is the shearing? It is the superficial removal of hair, okay, and of an animal. Clear? It does not hurt the sheep, but it provide, it we remove it so that the sheep will not feel any, sorry, ताकि इसको ज्यादा गर्मी ना लगे समर्स में, ठीक है, इसीलिए हम उसके जो फर है उसको रिमूव कर देते हैं, ठीक है. And next is scoring, that we remove the dirt, grease from that shorn hair. जो हमने इसमें जो हमें obtain हुए हैं, जो fleece या hair हमें obtain हुए हैं, उसको अब हमने क्या करना है, उसमें से remove करना है grease या oil को, ठीक है. So it is called scoring. It is usually done with the help of machines. And next is, then we also dye it in different colors. We dye the color, it is available in different colors, so we give colors to the wool also. And then there are birds that we remove. Okay, what are birds? Yes, what are birds? Hanur, you know what is birds?
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
What do you mean by bird? B-U-double-R-S, or bird or birds? Okay, you don't know, it's okay, bache. Yes, Krish?
Ma'am, birds are the small fluffy fibers that are removed from the hairs of.
Yes, these are the small fibers that it is these are the curl fibers that we can't use for making long fabric, long fibers we can't made from it. There are these are small in size. Clear? So the next is that we can give color to
Okay, ma'am.
that we give color to these also, the fibers also, because the sheep that the wool that we get from sheep, it is available in black, brown or white color. And then what will happen, then the fibers are straightened, okay, उनको straight किया जाता है, उनको comb किया जाता है, so then we made fabric from it. Clear? So उनको हम weave करते हैं, and then we made the cloth from it. Okay, that is used for making clothes. Now the next is the occupational hazard. There are so many, it is very harmful for the people who are working job in the wool industry. Okay, there they face, उनको जो respiratory problem हो जाती है. Okay, that is obviously wool को वो inhale करेंगे, then there will be a respiratory disease also, and the other disease is also that the blood disease, okay, that we call Sotter's disease, that is caused by a bacteria anthrax. Okay, इनमें जो क्या है, एक बैक्टीरिया होता है and it will enter through the body of that person. तो उसको जो है fatal, उसके लिए जो ये जो बैक्टीरिया है, it is also very fatal for that person. Okay, जब भी हम जैसे कि वूल इंडस्ट्री में वैसे कि जो लोग वर्क भी करते हैं, उनको रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम भी हो जाती है, क्योंकि the tiny small fibers that enter to the nose of that person, so it may happen that the person gets suffer from any respiratory disease also. Clear? Blood disease is the it is the another disease that can be caused. Clear? Now next is Next is silk. The silk fiber we get from the silkworm. And what is sericulture? That rearing and management of the silkworm to get silk is called the sericulture. Clear? And then we have studied about the life history of silk moth. Students, I will start this topic after I have